Okay, at this time we're going to learn all the notes on the piano. This is very important as we begin. And one might look at the piano and see all these notes here, the black and white notes, and say, that it's very difficult. It's actually not. And you use these little formulas based upon really first looking at the groups of black notes. Okay, let's take a look. Starting off, first of all, you look at the piano and you'll see there's black groups grouped in 2 and grouped in 3. The first thing you want to do is find all the groups of 2 black notes. Okay, so we're going to start right here. There's actually one way down here, if you can quite see it. There you go, to here, then here. Okay, that's all the 2 black notes. You want to get comfortable finding all those. Then you want to look at all the 3 black notes. You have to see how the groups of 3? Groups of 3, groups of 3, groups of 3, groups of 3. Very important to understand that. Okay, so as you can see, groups of 2 and groups of 3. And if you notice, it will go group of 2, 3, and it alternates back to 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay? This right here is an octave, and this is one particular area of the piano that will keep repeating. See, you'll see this white note just below the groups of 2 black notes, and this white note here. This is C, and this is a C, and if we take it down here, you'll see the same layout repeated at different areas of the piano. It's really great. So once you learn this area of the piano, the same thing will hold at different places of the piano, different positions. Now we're going to take a look at the middle C on the piano. Now that you understand the 2 black notes and the 3 black notes, the groupings, see those all over the piano, whether it be a keyboard or a piano, they're all going to be laid out the same. Right now we're going to look at middle C on the piano. Now middle C will be just to the left side of the middle of the piano. Okay? So regardless if you have a big grand piano or a small keyboard like I'm presenting the lesson here, you'll see that middle C will fall. Here's the middle of the piano right here, okay? If you take the middle of the keyboard, middle C will be just to the left side of it, and it's going to be just before the 2 black notes. See how it's just before the group of 2? And what you want to do is get comfortable, first of all, knowing where middle C is. And then what you want to do is find all the C's in the piano. So you're going to find all the 2 black notes, the groups of 2 black note, and go throughout your whole piano, get really fast at finding all the C's as quickly as possible. So remember, C is going to be before the 2 black notes, okay? And that's the biggest thing. And more importantly, middle C is going to be right to the left side of the very center of the piano. Okay, so now we're going to go on to the next note. Now we're looking at a musical alphabet here, the way the notes are laid out on the piano. And the alphabet being, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. There's no H, okay? After the G, it will repeat itself again to A, okay? So right now, the note after C, what would the note after C be? A, B, C, D. And we're going to look at the D right now. Okay, here's C. The very next note after C will be the D. And if you notice, it's right between the 2 black notes. Now, a fun little way to look at this, too, is you can look at this as and refer to this as the dog, because the 2 ears, the black ears, isn't that cute? So, this note here will appear between the 2 black notes. See, here's another one up here. Here's another one up here. Here's one down here, then we go over here. See? All over the piano. Get comfortable with seeing the D now. The D will sit right between the 2 black notes. So now we know C and we know D. Let's take a look at E, okay? Now the E is going to come after the D, and to learn the E, you want to always relate the position against the black note. So always look at this. See, you get the 2 groups of the group of 2 black notes. It's the one right after the white note, right after the 2 black notes. See? Not after the 3 black notes, but after the 2 black notes. See that? And here's another one. Okay? So we have C, the next note after E, A, B, C, D, E, and then it goes to F. Now what you're going to do is look at the F, compare it to where it is to the 3 black notes. See the group of 3 black notes right here? It's right to the left side, okay? It's on this side, okay, down, of the 3 black notes. So you find the 3 black notes, and here's the F. 3 black notes, there's the F. Okay? Now, C, D, E, F, and then the next note here would be G. Okay, now this is a little tricky because it falls in between, in the middle of the 3 black notes, but to the left side of it. Okay, so see where it is? Okay, try to memorize the G is in this position against the 3 black notes, and you want to see that all over the piano as well. And then, so C, D, E, F, G, and then it goes up to A. Remember the G, there's no H, it goes to A. So look at the A against the 3 black notes. Okay, and the same thing, you want to find all the A's all over the piano. And then it goes to A. After A is the B. And if you notice, the C right here is right before the 2 black notes. It's right before the B. Right before the B is right before the C. See that? And find the B. And the B falls right after the 3 black notes. See the 3 black notes here? Right after it. 3 black notes here, right after it. Okay? Now what you want to do here is you want to get to the point where if someone said, where's a D? You can go right to it. Where's an F? Where's a B? And what you want to do is try to memorize where it is. The E is after the 2 black notes. The D is in between the 2 black notes. The F is before the 3 black notes. The B is after the 3 black notes. The G is in the middle of the 3 black notes, and the A is on the right side of it. So you want to look at which side the G and the A are in the 3 black notes. And I think you'll be really surprised at how important this is, because once you learn this many notes, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, the exact same formula will work up here and all over the piano, okay? So all we have to really focus in on is learning and memorizing the position of all the notes right in here. C is to the left of the 2 black notes. D is in between the 2 black notes. E is to the right of the 2 black notes. F is right to the left of the 3 black notes. G in the middle of the 3 black notes. Then we have A. See the positioning? And then B and C. And then that same formula will follow for up here. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Down here. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. It's a lot easier when you look at it this way now, but it's going to take some doing. You want to really first see the 2 black notes, the groups of 3 black notes, then memorize each of the notes. Best of luck learning all the notes on the piano.